Welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn Swedish numbers. You can use that, for example, ordering data or maybe to just count. So from 0 to 12, we have 0 is basically 0, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Who should be from epiglottis. Who? Ota, neo, tio, elva, 12. Can have, for example, difficult meaning pronunciation is tvo, who means 7, and 12. So from 13 to 19, we will follow a pattern. Treton means for 10, add here, ton, treton, 13. This is a tre we have learned right now, tre, and then we futon, 14, femton, 16, putton. Basically, this is a who. Putton or ton means 18. Nitton 19. Nitton 19. And the next we have a decimal numbers 20, 30, 40 and till 90. So we add here, for example, there is a first is exception. Shugi means 20. Otherwise, we will add here Tio. We have learned the first 10 digits, that is Neo and Tio. So we add here Tio 30 to 90, and the first case is exception, Hugi. This becomes 30. Ends on O, but we will pronounce as a 30, 40, 30, 50, 60, 40, 90. Okay. Shugi, 30, 50, 60, 40, and then we have number in between the decimals. So here we will just pronounce that from 21 to 29, and then we can check these combinations on the right. So you know this first one is Shugi. So I would add just from 1 to 9 with Shugi. Shugi et 21. Shugi tvo. Shugi tre. Shugi fira. Shugi fem. Shugi 6. Shugi who. And Shugi otta. Shugi neo. Basically, I'm just adding 20 plus 1, 20 plus 2. The same we have learned, in very first slide. 1 to 9. So just add them with Shugi. Means you have here these decimal numbers. For example, 30. So 30 plus 1. So I would add these numbers from 1 to 9.
1 to 9. Okay.
That's all.
So
with these numbers. Okay. For example, 40 plus, if I ask 40 otta, so that is 48. Just I'm using that digits. Okay. So here are these numbers. Can you pronounce them from 39 to 90? 30 neo. 39.
30 neo.
40 otta.
56.
56. Okay.
63.
63. 63 means 63. 48.
48.
82. 84. 95. And last one we have 99. 99. Okay. And now we move towards the numbers that start from 100 to 900. So here we have 100 for 100, and we can also use 100 means 100. Either you can write 100 or you can write 100. So both are same. So for more than 100 we can use 200, for example. So I just multiply 2 with 100. 200 and then multiply 3. 3 multiply 100. 300. 4, that means 400. 400. 400. 5 100 100 500 600 700 800 and 900. So you can check the difference that they are technically just multiplied with 100. The same rule we can apply with 1000 is a tusen that we have learned in the last lesson. Tusen tek means thousands. Thank you. So we can place at tusen also, or we can just place tusen. So just multiply the digits from 1 to 9 to get these numbers. For example, this one that would be 2, and this is a tusen. 2 tusen. Here we have 2 tusen, 2000, 3 tusen, 3000, 4 tusen, 4000, 5 tusen, 5000, 6 tusen, 6000, 2 tusen, 7000, 8 tusen, 8000, 9000. So they have the same combination that we have for Hundra. We just multiply the digits there, and here the same case we just applied the multiply from 1 to 9 with tusen. And the next we have compound numbers. Compound numbers are basically the groups in the block of 3 digits, with no space. So we can pronounce them. For example, this is the first one, 545. I would just pronounce the first one, 500, and this is 45, 545. 500 can break down into 3 parts. First, just pronounce this one, that is 500. 500. Then pronounce only this one, 40 plus 5.
45.
Okay. Now we have here a bit more complex number, that is at 300 means 300, and this is 75. 70s we learned Khutti fam. 300 Khutti fam. Okay. And the next we have this is at 100,000 means 100,000. That becomes at 100,000. 500 50 who. These are really our numbers that we learned